Hello friends, welcome to Explosive Updates. Today we will see the multi-role aircraft Chinook, which was inducted in Air Force. So, the Boeing CH-47 Chinook is an American twin-engine tandem rotor heavy-lift helicopter developed by American rotorcraft company Vertol and manufactured by Boeing Vertol. So the CH-47 is among the heaviest lifting western helicopter. Its name Chinook is from the Native American Chinook people of modern day Washington state. So let us discuss about some of the features. So it's having a role of transport helicopter. Its national origin as United States, manufactured by Boeing Defense Space and Security. Its first flight was in 21st of September 1961 and it's introduced in 1962 in service. So primary users are US Army, Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, Royal Netherlands Air Force, and CH-47 is operators for others also. So it's produced in 1962 and till present it's going on. Number built, we are having the data up to 2012. So over 1200 numbers were built till date. Its unit cost is $38.55 US million and having various variants, Boeing Chinook and UK variants. So let us see about the operational history of this. So it was used in Vietnam War in 1966 where 161 copters were used. In Iran during the 1970s, the United States and Iran had a strong relationships in which the Iranian armed forces began to use the many American military aircraft, most notably the F-14 Tomcat. So after that in Libyan War also this used in 1976. In Falklands War, the Chinook was used both by Argentina and United Kingdom during Falkland War in 1982. Then in Afghanistan and Iraq War, about 163 CH-47DS of various operators were deployed to Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Iraq during the Operational Desert Shield and the subsequent Operational Desert Storm in 1990-1991. So it is also used in disaster reliefs and other roles because it's a heavy lift helicopter. When we see about its variant, so it's available in HC-1A, which was designed in 1962 and then it was developed in various other models such as CH-47A, ACH-47A, CH-47B, CH-47C, CH-47D, MH-47D, MH-47E, CH-47F. Then it was developed into MH-47G. MH-47G from the 160th SOAR or complete transport system training with the other fields. So CH-47J was developed after that. Then HH-47 and other export models are used for some civilian models also as having a long range, extended range with model 234ER, model MLR with multi-purpose long range, model 234UT for utility transport and other things. So when we see about the specifications for this, then it consists of crew, 3 pilots, co-pilot, flight engineer and loadmaster with a capacity of 55 troops, 24 stretchers and 3 attendants, or it carries 10,886 kg of payloads. It's having a length of 30 meter, fuselage length is 16 meter, width is 3.78 meter, height is 5.77 meter and its empty weight is 11,148 kg. Maximum takeoff weight is 22,680 kg. Its power plant with having 2 Lycoming T55GA7148 turbo class engine with 4,733 ship, that is 3,528 kilowatt each. Main rotor's diameter is 18 meter and main rotor area is about 520 meter square. Blade section roof of Boeing VR7 with the tip Boeing VR8. When we see about the performance, then its maximum speed is 310 km per hour. Its cruise speed is 300 km per hour, having a range of 740 km. Its combat range is 370 km. Ferry range is 2252 km. When we talk about the service ceiling, it's 6100 meter with a rate of climbing 7.73 meter per second, and disc loading is 46 kg per meter square, having power or mass of 0.46 kilowatt per kg. So guys, that's all about the specification. Let us see how this is working.